Hey y'all!
It's Colin.
So in today's video, I am going to attempt to do a toddler-friendly Old Navy try-on haul. Heavy emphasis on attempt, okay? Because you have a toddler, you know how things can be. So I am fully expecting this video to be a hit or miss. Because Kalia is very,
Hey, Kalia.
rambunctious. So typically I'll shop at Old Navy, I shop at Target, I shop at Walmart, I shop on Amazon, Children's Place. I don't discriminate when it comes to shopping for the kids especially. I figured this was a perfect opportunity to do a try-on haul because Kalia hit this random growth spurt, and then the weather here in Texas started getting super hot, so you'll notice a lot of these pieces are from a spring collection. So I'm excited to see how these pieces fit. I did get a 3T for her. She is 2 years old, but like I said, she hit that random growth spurt, so I have a feeling a 3T would be a perfect fit for her. So yeah, let's get into it. Hi, Kalia. You look so pretty.
So this first look is just a cute one-piece romper. I love the color of this romper. I thought it was really pretty on her complexion. It does have pockets and 5 buttons. The belt that you see there does not open or anything. It's just for style. One thing I didn't like about this romper is there isn't any openings at the diaper changing area. So you'll literally have to take the romper completely off to change the diaper, which is annoying. But I also got it in chambray as well.
Hi, Kalia. Hi, pretty girl. I like your shirt. Is that a lemon on your shirt?
Yeah.
Aww.
So this next outfit is a cute tank top with lemons on it, and it has ruffles on the straps. I paired it with some green, olive green shorts. The shorts do have drawstring, which is really convenient to help with sizing around the waist, and they also have pockets. Not that, she's going to carry anything in her pockets, but I think I just love pockets, so I'm kind of projecting that on her. I also really like how lightweight the tank top is. Like I said, we live in Texas. It gets really hot and humid, so I thought this lightweight tank top was perfect.
Hi, Kalia.
Hi, Mommy.
Yeah, look at you.
Here we have another romper, super lightweight, super cute. Kalia was loving this outfit and did not want to take it off. It's light blue and it does have bees on it. And as a proud member of the Beehive, I approve of this design. But no, the one thing, again, that I don't like is they did not take into consideration diaper changes. So to change diapers, you are going to have to take this romper completely off. Now these rompers did come as a set, and I also got a plain yellow one. Same design, same lack of diaper consideration.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Okay, baby. Kalia, are you ready to finish getting dressed?
No.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Cheese. Oh, Kalia looks so pretty. Hi, Raymond. Hi, Kalia. Are you hiding? Come here, Lily. Kalia. Come here. We're almost done, babe.
So this next look is a floral print tank top paired with some blue shorts. The tank top is not adjustable. It has a bow detail on the strap, but it's just for decoration. You cannot adjust these straps. But yeah, the shirt was super lightweight. Kalia is loving it, as you can see, but I love the floral print. I thought it was really pretty for the spring, and the shorts, again, are that drawstring waistline.
Pretty. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Go, Lily.
I ended up getting another pair of those drawstring shorts. I got it in stripe print which I could pair with like a yellow top or a pink top or even a white top. I'm gonna get you. 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 So this last outfit, I thought it was so freaking cute. It is a floral print sweatshirt that was paired with some pink biker shorts. This did come together as a set, and I just thought it was too cute to pass up. Even though it's getting super hot in Texas, I'm like, look, maybe one of these cool spring nights you can wear it. But yeah, I thought it was really cute.
If you guys enjoyed this combo, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
I'm making that.
Thank you so much for watching, and I will call you later. Toodles! Bye! Yay, you did it! 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 I love you.
Subscribe.